Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing these roll-on white gel pens. So these are, I think, also called as jelly roll pens, and I'm pretty excited. There are three of them: 0.5, 0.8 and 1. So we'll unbox them and we'll also try these out on different colored papers and see how these work. So here is what these pens look like. This is 0.5, 1 and 0.8. These are made in Japan. So I'm going to try these out right now, and we'll first try these out in our regular sketchbook and see how the white comes, but it's not going to be seen, so we'll try these out on a gray sketchbook. This is the 0.51. It's not bad, it's obviously not perfect, so maybe I need to wait it out. I need to figure out if it will give me some more coverage. This is now the 0.8, and you can see that the amount of white that's coming out is much more higher. And this is the 1. Pretty amazing. The flow of the white is really high in this. So I could use them in various art techniques, especially I think on a gray paper it will be really nice. I'm going to just try out the 0.5 again and see. I think it is this way. I don't think it's going to add on a lot of things, but it's fine. I think the other two work well. I'm going to try and make a really tiny sketch and add some whites on it and see how it looks. Overall, I really like these white pens, so if this is something that you would use in your pencil sketches or in general, then this is definitely a good buy.